In this video, I'm going to show you how to invest in corporate bonds on the Webull application. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Webull app like you normally would, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Afterwards, you will need to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section called shortcuts. You then want to go ahead and press over here where it says more, and there's also going to be 3 dots. Just go ahead and press on it. Then from here, scroll down until you see this section that says trading. Now, once you're over here, you're going to see this option that says bonds, and you just want to go ahead and press on it just like so. Now, it is going to provide you with a filter over here. So you guys could invest both in corporate and treasury bonds on Webull, which is definitely a really good feature. For this video, we're going to be primarily focusing on treasury bonds. So make sure to go ahead and use this filter to help you look for treasury bonds. Then go ahead and press on browse all. Then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and get a bunch of results. You could, of course, modify the filters at any point in time by pressing on this button that says modify. But from here, go ahead and look for the treasury that you would like to invest in. So here's how it does look like. I would also like to mention that this video is not financial advice. All right, once you're over here, you guys are able to go ahead and look at more details. You could look at the last 3 months, 1 month, 1 year, or the max. It is 100% up to you. Then you guys are able to go ahead and select over here where it says trade. Then you guys are able to go ahead and buy it right here. And where it says order type, you're going to need to go ahead and select on limit. So buying a treasury bond is not like buying a stock. You can't just buy it. You need to go ahead and put a limit order right over here. Then you need to go ahead and enter in the amount in, the limit price, and the time in force. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and purchase the bond. So that is where you would go in order to actually begin purchasing bonds on Webull. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.